also.
Okay, now Amitrajit, Ipshita, stay muted. Mute yourself. Yes. Acha, now up to 8, so we already yesterday done. From 9, look at this. Divyanka, do it.
And the screen is black.
Black? No. Sneha, are you able to see the screen? Mirza?
Yes, ma'am. Now I am.
Okay. Acha, now question number 9. Okay. Acha, those who were absent yesterday, like Ipshita, you were absent too. So see the video, okay, and I'll upload all this study material today, okay. Then you will get all the sum. And now look, 300 and 240. It is by long division, not by prime factorization. So as 300 is greater than 240, so we have to divide 300 by 240. Now 241 is 240, it will be 60. Then by this 60, by this remainder again, we have to divide this 240.
And these
look,
sum are extra problems.
From exercise C, D and some extra problems. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Look, 60 is the HCF of 300 and 240. Question number 9 is very easy. Now number 10. Ipshita, keep your camera on. Achha, here also 1290 is less than 4372. So we have to divide 4372 by this 1290. Okay. I'm showing it over there, 4372. If we divide it by 1290, so by 3 only it will be divisible. 30 is 0, 39, 27, carry 2, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8, 3 1 is 3. Okay, now the subtraction. This 2 will come, 7 minus 7, 0. This one we have to consider 13. It will be 5. Borrowing subtraction. Okay, so 502. Now by this 502 we have to divide 1290. Okay, by 2 it will go 2 2s are 4, 2 0 is 0, 5 2s are 10. Do the subtraction. It will be 6, it will be 8, it will be 2, 1 minus 1, 0, 286. Now by this 286 we have to divide 502 again. Okay. Now by 1 it will go 286. Subtract it. It will be 6. It will be, we have to consider this as 12. So 6. Then it is 0 is over there. By using borrowing subtraction, it will be 9 now. So it will be 1. Then 2, 216.
It
now
will be
by
2.
this by this 216 we have to divide this 286. Yes, though.
Yes, ma'am.
Now look at there. The remaining division, look, by 1 it is 216. There's 70 remainder. By 70 we have to divide 216. And this one will continue until we are getting 0 as the remainder.
Ma'am,
Yes, same.
ma'am, I have joined late because of some network problem. For that, ma'am, can you show the previous question so that I can take a
Basically,
screenshot?
basically from 9 today I have started. Yesterday to up to 8 done, na? From
Yes,
9,
ma'am.
okay? So no need to
Okay.
take the screenshot. You can, I'll give you time, just start from 9. Okay, first.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Tehzeeb, do one thing. Give some space for the 9, okay? Start from 10 only. Give some space, okay? At the end, at last, I'll again show you number 9. Understood too?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, it will be much better. Anushka Maiti, understood to beta? Okay, good.
I'm done.
Wait. Then I'll show you 11. Acha, Sridatri, Safin,
I'm
and Sinjini. Understood or not? Sinjini,
Yes, ma'am.
Sridatri. Okay, good. Acha, Suhana, Ujan, sorry, Sneha, Ujam, and Shoham Mukherjee. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can we raise our hand if we are completed?
No need to raise, okay? You can unmute yourself so I can talk to you, na? Acha, Oishi, Yash, completed. Ashmita, okay, good. Now let me move for number 11, huh? Tehzeeb, start from 10, huh? You joined late. Complete 10 first. Now here is number 11 and 12. Look at 11, it is 2100. Huh? Yes, say beta. Say. It is 2100 and the next number is 3225. Now, that this one is greater than 2100. Then we have to divide this 3225 by 2100. This is normal division, okay? By 2100. By 1 it will go 2100. Then 5 will come, this 2 will come. And 2 minus 1 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1125. 1125. Now by this we have to divide 2100. We have to continue the same process until we are getting 0. So by 1 it will be this. Now subtraction, okay, it will be 5, then 7, then 9. 975, normal subtraction. Now by this 975 we have to divide 1125. Again by 1 it will go, yes to Shafin. Okay, so it will be 925. Acha, 975. Now do the subtraction. 5 minus 5, 0. 7, we have to consider this 2 as 12. So it will be 5, then 1. 150, na? Now by this 150, we have to divide this 975. Look, just avoid this 0. This one 15. Consider this as 15. Now 15 one is 15. Count the just table. 6, 15 and 19. 6, 15, 90 and this 0 will be there. Now 75 by this 75 by this remainder. Again we have to divide. We have to continue the same process. Shayon Haldar, understood? What are you doing?
Ma'am,
Yes,
that's
ma'am.
to Dipsita's brothers.
Okay, Shayon, keep your camera on and say, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Orpon, Soumojit, keep your camera on. Acha, Riazuddin and Kazi, clear to this one?
Yes, ma'am.
So the HCF is 75. Now I am moving for the next question. Acha, Oishi, mute yourself. Orgodip Maji, understood to? Acha, Tehzeeb, you joined late to number 10 completed. You completed number 10?
No, ma'am, I am completing. I am 6 divided by 70.
Acha, whose brother is doing that? I am requesting him or her to mute.
Ma'am, Ipsita's.
Ipshita, mute yourself. Mute yourself. Acha, number 12, you can start. Okay. And number 12 question is very important. Okay. For the exam also, for Saturday weekly test also. Okay.
Is ma'am, it's normal division or ma'am any extra methods is
No. Just normal division. Okay. Every time what to do? You have to do normal division. Okay. Normal division. Then just by what you will get the remainder. Suppose you are not getting the remainder 0. Okay. Then again by that remainder you have to divide. Which one? To the divisor. You have to continue this process. Suppose look at this. Here remainder is not 0. So by this remainder again you have to divide this divisor. Okay. Now as we are dividing by this remainder, now this remainder will become divisor too. And there will be a new remainder. Look, 615. Now by this new remainder again, we have to divide this new divisor. You have to continue this same process. Understood or not? Yes or no? No
Yes,
one is
ma'am.
answering. Okay. Tehzeeb, number 10 done to? I'm moving the screen, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number 11 and 12. 11 to I explain. Now let me explain number 12. We have to divide this 6,621 by 5,620. Only by 1 it will go. Then normal subtraction 1, 0, 0, 1. Now look at this. Now this one is remainder too, and this one is the divisor. We have to divide that divisor. Now this divisor will become dividend. Okay, we have to divide this divisor by which one? By this remainder. So if we divide this divisor, now this divisor will become dividend too, and this remainder will be becoming divisor. Now again the new remainder we will get. We have to continue the same process. Again with that new remainder we have to divide this divisor. Then this divisor will again becoming dividend. Already I explained this one. Okay. See the video. Okay. Those who were absent. Now continue the process. Look. I am not doing the division again. Okay. Acha, all the screen is not hazy, so you can see it properly. Yes or no? Rifa Tamanni, you completed. That's why you made the copy fan. Huh? The copy is becoming fan. Acha, okay. Show me your copy. Huh? Up to 12 you completed. Rifa? Good. Divyanka Debolin.
Yes, ma'am. I also completed up to 12.
Okay. Those who have completed, they can show me their copy. Yes. Divyanka Debolin, Suhana, I have seen these 3 copy. Rifa, I have seen your copy also. Okay, next. Shaurjashi, Shauritro, Tazif. Acha, Tazif, you joined late, so should do up to this. Acha, I am giving you 2 minutes to complete up to 12.
And ma'am, I have also written that 6,621 and 5,620 are prime numbers.
Okay. Acha, Auritro, why these 2 are prime numbers? Just Divyanka told na. These 2 are prime number. Why? Auritro beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Why these 2 numbers are co-prime number? Just now
And why
she told no.
Yes, ma'am.
The reason?
And there is two prime number.
No, here it is 0 though.
Yes, ma'am.
These are not individually prime number though. This one is also not a prime number, but these 2 are co-prime number. Why? Forgot all the rules. Suhana, can you say? Individually, these 2 are not prime number, but if we take them together, then these 2 are co-prime number. Why?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Do you know the definition of co-prime? Acha, Amitrajit, why these 2 are co-prime number?
Ma'am, because their common factor is only 1.
Only 1. Shuhana, Oritro, Orpor, listen to me very carefully. If their HCF is 1, then they are co-prime number. Okay. If the HCF of 2 numbers is 1, then that numbers are known to be co-prime of each other. Acha, question number 13, you can start because the question is given over there, na? So you can do it yourself.
Ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Am I done? So can I show my
I have
copy?
done 11 number question. You can scroll up.
Okay, good. Acha, as if 12 number question you have understood too. As if
Yes, ma'am.
number 12 question have you understood too?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Acha, number 13, as if before starting number 12, just listen to me, all of you. Number 13, there are 3 numbers too. So basically, what is the rule? First, arrange them into ascending or descending, whatever you want. After arranging, take the 2 numbers. Okay, the less numbers. That means the first one 96, then the lesser is 256. Take these 2 numbers. Find the HCF of these by using division method. Okay, then what will be the HCF? We are getting 32. Now with this 32 again we have to apply the same process to long division method, this HCF and the bigger one number. Okay, Tazif, already when I explained this type of thing in that class you were present too.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no issue. Yash, Orgodeep, understood too? Do it fast. Junaid,
Done, ma'am.
Look at this number 13. I am explaining again. First, we have to divide this 256 by 96. Okay. By this 96. By 2, it will go 2 6 are 12. Carry 1, 9 2s are 18 plus this one 19, 192. Now do the subtraction. Okay. This one will be 4, this one will be 6. By this remainder, again we have to divide the divisor 96. This 1. Now normal subtraction again. Okay. Rifa doing to. Okay, now this one will be 2 and 3. By 32, again we have to divide this 64. We have to continue the same process until we are getting 0. 32, we have to take 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Now 0 is the remainder. So what is the HCF of these two number? This 32. Yes. Now what we have to do? We have to find the HCF of this 32 and the left number, left one. That is the greater one number, 288. Now here is the division of 288 and 32. Complete this one first.
I'm done. Yes, I'm done.
Sridatri, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Arpon?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Shoham and Mirza, Shayon and Shomojit. These 4 students, keep your camera on. Shomojit has a problem regarding the camera, I know, but Shoham, Rifa, Sinjini, if you don't turn on your camera, you will be marked as absentee. Yes. Ifshita done to?
Ma'am,
Acha, Tehzeeb up to 12 you completed too?
ma'am done up to 30.
Okay. Okay. Now I am moving the screen, huh? Amitrajit completed?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
completed.
Up to 30.
Okay. Now the 14th one and 15th one is there. Acha, I am showing you. Now let me explain the 14th one. This one is very much easy, even no need to explain. 120, 240 and 360. First divide this 240 by 180, find the HCF. After that, divide this 360 by that HCF. Right. First.
Ma'am, done.
Anushka Maiti, Ujan Bhakto, done to?
Ma'am, yes.
Acha, up to 13, all of you completed to?
Yes, ma'am.
My 14 also completed.
Yes, ma'am. Also
Good.
mine.
Here is number 14 and 15, okay? I am not going to explain. 15 I will explain, okay? 15 basically we have to first arrange them. Look, 1183 is greater than, is less than 2194, and the greater most number is this one. So just first forget about this number. So first what to do? These two numbers we have to take. We have to divide this 2194 by 1183. Okay. Achha, I am doing the division here, huh? By 1183. So by 1 only it will go 1183. Then the subtraction, it will be 1. It is also 1. 1 minus 1, 0, 1. Now by this remainder, we have to divide 1183. Again, by which it will go? It will divisible by which? 1, na? Divyanka?
Yes, ma'am. 1.
1. So it will be 1011.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
the what will be the remainder? This is 2, 7 and 1. 172, right?
Ma'am, 172.
So by this 172, we have to divide this one.
1011 means 1011.
1011. Okay. Now continue this process until we are
Ma'am,
getting
already done.
0. 1011 by this 172. Now by 5, look, it will be divisible. 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 5 7 35 plus 1, 36 carry 6, 5 1 is 5 plus 36 carry 3, right? 5 1 is 5 plus this 3, 860. Now do the subtraction. 1 5 1 divided by 172, again by 1. Okay, it will be 1 and it will be 2. By 21, we have to divide again 151. Continue this. These are the left part here. Look at this, okay? Completed, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. 15 also completed. Done 15.
Shuhana, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
After that, if we are getting 1 as the HCF, that is not the end, huh? Because we have taken only 2 numbers. After that, we have to divide by this one. As we have got the HCF is 1 of this first 2 number. So we have to find the HCF of this 1 and this left 1 number. So definitely as it is 1 there, so HCF must be 1. Na? Even if you don't, no need to show the division. Yes or no? You can write the reason also. As one number is 1 itself, so their HCF will be 1. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, say.
Ma'am, in my phone there is no charger. I can lift.
Tell me your name.
Ma'am, Sheikh Riajuddin.
Okay, basically the class will be over right within 1 minute. Okay. Acha, you have completed up to 15, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you can leave, Riyaj. Okay. Acha, now number up to number 15 complete it.